Obesity is a disease that affects more than 2 billion people around the world. Over 42% of American adults suffer from obesity. Almost 20% of American children suffer from obesity. At Heartland Weight Loss, we treat our patients with dignity and evidence-based medicine because that's what they deserve. We care about obesity.
I care about obesity because it is a chronic disease that I will battle my entire life. I care because I want my children and others to be ready to fight with knowledge too.
I care about obesity because it's a chronic health condition and all people deserve to receive care that is targeted to their individual health-specific needs.
I care about obesity because people are fed by the food industry, which pays no attention to health, and healed by the health industry, which pays no attention to food.
I care about obesity because people living with obesity face bias and stigma every day that affects their mental and physical health.
I care about obesity because it is the second leading cause of preventable death in the United States.
I care about obesity because I do not want my children to have to suffer as I have.
I care about obesity because I want everyone I know to be able to do anything and everything that they want without any restrictions.
I care about obesity because, like so many others, I struggle every single day with the choice to be healthy, and I deserve the same medical care for this disease as any other disease.
I care.
I care.
I care. I care.
I care.
I care.
I care.
I care.